Thanks for joining us. Welcome back to Infoverity's webinar series. Today, we'll be discussing how to integrate business process management with Informatica's Product 360 for our joint customers. First off, a little bit about Infoverity and myself. My name is Alexa Dockman, and I'm a senior consultant with Infoverity. Founded in 2011, Infoverity is a leading global professional services organization focused on solving business problems caused by the proliferation and diversification of data in large enterprises. Infoverity provides master data management, product information management strategy and implementation, next generation analytics, managed services, and hosting solutions that help clients in the retail, consumer goods, manufacturing, financial, and healthcare sectors to help simplify and maximize the value of their information. Infoverity is on the Company 5000 list, the Columbus Fast 50, and is named among the best places to work in IT by IDG's Computer World and Columbus Business First. Infoverity's global headquarters is in Dublin, Ohio, and additional service and support teams are also located in Spain, Germany, and Russia. For more information, please visit infoverity.com and follow @Infoverity on Twitter. So let's move on to the topic for today, how to integrate business process management with Informatica's Product 360 for our joint customers. Product 360 ensures that all groups and divisions in an organization adhere to the same or similar process for product authoring and maintenance, thereby improving overall operation efficiencies within the organization. P360's business process management tool, otherwise known as BPM, enables these companies to help streamline and govern their processes in providing better visibility of their business as it relates to product innovation and management across the enterprise. There are various benefits, as you can see, our clients have received by implementing BPM, such as improving more time to market their product data onto websites, increasing overall productivity within the organization, reducing the amount of manual work in the system, and standardizing the complete business process across the enterprise. With this comes data quality. Data quality and data integration are the core challenges in managing the product data lifecycle within the enterprise and across partner and supplier systems. Product data that resides in multiple systems means not knowing where data is accurate, having poor data quality, and a lot of manual effort in reconciling data, leading to potentially wrong decisions. By integrating data quality tools, business rules can be built to meet specific and complex business requirements within the product lifecycle. These data quality rules, as we call them, can be defined for products as well as media assets in P360 as part of the onboarding process. For example, data quality provides more control over the minimum resolution for images on products, the allowable and or valid attributes on a product or item, as well as the validity checks of product numbers and more. Informatica's BPM can trigger and execute these defined business rules as part of the process once a task is complete and needs to decide to move on to the next step of action. Overall, data quality enables companies to implement consistent, reusable, and automated data quality processes for the product data throughout the entire data lifecycle. So just to recap, a workflow created by BPM consists of a series of steps that are necessary for a product to be published onto the website. Each step in a workflow defines a particular part of the business process. These steps typically have associated tasks with them so that the appropriate user or user group can work on the task. In a typical business scenario, as you can see, no matter the size of the enterprise, it's recommended that a product be classified to a structured system when initially entering the workflow. Shown in the diagram on the screen, this is the first step. This is essential because the product inherits the structure features of the structure group or category that it is assigned to. For example, a TV's category obtains attributes such as screen size, screen type, mountable, non-mountable, and so on. When a product is assigned to this category, it inherits those specific attributes. With the integration of data quality checks at each of these steps in the workflow, BPM can validate the data on the products to ensure that it meets all the business requirements before it proceeds to the next step in the workflow process, thereby ensuring all steps and data is defined within the product data lifecycle. As I previously mentioned, Informatica's BPM leverages data quality for the newly featured workflow tasks and data quality APIs to automate the business process further. In this case, workflow tasks are assigned to the designated user group to be worked on based on the business validation and rules on the items in the product lifecycle. In addition, workflow-related reports provide a high-level and individual work status, team workflow status, and workflow status filtered by catalog, which can provide out-of-the-box reporting tools. The overall business process is essential for an organization to ensure that the products are being created and maintained in the right way in order to meet the business objectives. Any disruptions to this process can be highly affect the organization. Informatica's Product 360 now notifies the user if BPM has an outage and queues up the messages until the server is up again. So, how can Infoverity help your organization succeed with BPM? Infoverity has PIM and BPM experts who want to understand your existing business process and help guide you in ways to improve it in order to make the entire enterprise more executable. We are able to assess current processes with all parties involved and lead to better designed business process for everyone. Because BPM is a comfortable, easy-to-adapt tool, we are able to build a workflow design specific to your organization and business needs. Outside of BPM, there are configurable pieces in Informatica's Product 360 that our team is able to deliver to you in the best way possible. Once a workflow design has been defined, BPM can easily be trained to the right data support teams as well as business personnel to better support the 2B business process. Overall, Infoverity has extensive experience working with companies to design and implement workflow processes that make sense for the business and don't overcomplicate data authoring. To conclude, Informatica's Product 360 BPM ensures that all groups and divisions in an organization adhere to the same or similar business process. This is essential for an entire organization to create a usable product data lifecycle. For more information about ActiveBoss, please visit Informatica's website or reach out to Infoverity for more information on how BPM can be integrated into your organization. Thank you for your time and see you next time.